Hair barette, clip, DIY. Materials: embroidered, knitted, woven fabric or decorative fabric. Plastic according to the size of the embroidery, pattern, ornament. Plastic according to the size of the hairpin, mechanism. Hairpin, mechanism. Scissors. Threads. Needle. Awl. Hammer. A piece of suede, leather or leatherette, back. Felt or foam yarn for the substrate, if the fabric is translucent. The sequence of work. Cut out the plastic according to the size of the embroidery, pattern, ornament. Cut out the back and the substrate for this size. Cut out the plastic according to the size of the hairpin, mechanism. Make holes in it in order to sew the mechanism. Use an awl and a hammer to make perforations, holes, around the perimeter and 3 holes for the mechanism for stitching on suede, leather. If you use thin leatherette, it can be stitched with an ordinary needle without prior preparation. Metal mechanism, back part, suede, leather, leatherette, plastic for it sew together. Put a backing on the plastic part for textiles, on top of the textile itself, quilted around the perimeter, pull the thread, make stitches opposite to each other. Tighten all the stitches well so that the fabric stretches smoothly. Sew the 2 resulting halves. Sew a hairpin around the perimeter with a decorative, or hand-woven, cord. If you weave the cord yourself, measure the diameter of the hairpin with 1 piece, attaching the cord to it. Focus on this length in weaving.